Talk about a deal. STOP. Read this. The Ralph Schomp Automotive Edge. How would you like cruising home in this wonderful 2008 Volvo XC70 at a price like this? Indulge your senses in this fantastic XC70, and fall in love with driving all over again. Here at Ralph Schomp Automotive we do things a bit differently. WOULDN? It'd be nice to have a salesperson be more concerned about your needs instead of theirs? Come experience our salaried sales staff and be heard. We offer a 48-hour peace of mind return policy. All vehicles undergo an excellent reconditioning program that gets it right the first time. Most importantly, we shop our competition every day and offer our best price upfront posted on the vehicle. We don't haggle or add any surprise fees to the price like dealer handling or dinner prep. Here at Ralph Schomp, what you see is what you get. It's that easy. Ralph Schomp Automotive. One price, one promise, one customer at a time. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.